Achemu akwa be Adom TV Badwam so eni kase ne braso se utie bie ne asie umemu no e braso se ye de bro samne do so ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini Medical Laboratory Professionals Workers Union abontre ne saban wo mu ne bi se ya nyamfa ma wo mu a wo mbeti atua ye de honsam no ebe bro na fe yakọ ensam foforo emu a Professor Jane na opoku agimande to EC enim se eye registration exercise no a ebe baso no omma prepreye enye adwuma no ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV kase wo Go TV a channel no ye 119 DSTV channel no eye 280 media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie se den sam ni chemu ankasa etie. First National Vice President da Medical Laboratory Professional Workers Union Dr. Franklin Amate Ama enene wode sama hudo bi eto edwa condition of service de da wakoma so e wosa ban no na fei baby a won mu so agina se kuo no wo mo animdefo eba akanie mu a won so betimi ayi mpanifo mo wadi wani mo kan ti de ekoso wase ho no mpanifo mo wani na ho ewo ho Adom TV kase eto so
send this signal to those at the helm of affairs at Parliament that the malicious amendment that people are seeking and trying to smuggle in by redefining the medical laboratory space is not in the interest of the Ghanaian. And to arrest or to avert any labor unrest, it is proper that we are brought to the table so that we can find a common ground in the interest of the Ghanaian.
Treasurer for Penny de Makui, Dr. Sefas Kofi Akoto, and so the Tuja say, Omu Atrocrata Bibri, the Akuman Penny for a far coin of a faswa, when you made work at Tria, a page and so a camera say, Penny for into an amobia ever home.
As a profession that existed in this country for over 50 years, we have no condition of service. And we have submitted proposals since December last year till date. Negotiation has never taken place. And even it took the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission a very long time to sign rules of engagement. The law demands that when you submit a proposal, within 14 days, there should be engagement. We have submitted proposal from December, followed up to now. No negotiation has begun. So this is a warning or a signal to the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission to take note that heat is building up within the rank and file of our profession. And if nothing is done immediately to engage the union, we can let them take the law into their hands.
2020 running mate Edema Kane Mampeni John Dramani Mahamana NDC Franka Tuniya Professor Jenana Opoku Ajima wode to Electoral Commission penifo ni mwaduma one more eba beye limited voters registration no ho was so oni die ma omano kwaridie ne prepreye enedi Adom TV etwaso
straight den sendi ohane kanyezem osane yemu bi wo ho abi akro kase ne atenam Insemro Comedy Street if we be a motu mananto wako. Ibi oho a ofa trotro kra wedu. Na he no me yansi ya na yemfi kro kasime no yenyi mote. Ibi abafa car ba ya nana na akọ ekodu. Nana esim yembe so onye adwuma nye. Oho so no wedu ondo do wo kiro wonzini. Na warkandan. Nsana na ya basra won. Obi amfa na anuntum. Obi amfa na anuntum. Azeza ere na ayeniye ya na ayeniye. Enye nesin no nkonkodu baby no for oha omba
Himpopro ya owo mu afete nana abo ata ya otoso mienu so e de adesre eto mpanifo nim so momodin a empuntu dwuma hodo a ekwaso wo memu no wo so ebenya bie na enwuma ho nsem abamo mebuna wo ho so enya biaye.
Construction of modern football pitch, construction of drain to ease erosion, education and youth development, investment drive and job creation, peace and security, land management. Mr. Chairman, I am highly excited to announce that very significant progress has been over the past years.
Obia Nkone District. Then send you ohane
campaign team members dema mampani abedi akire ya na nida kwan so betu franka ama MPP amanyoko Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nenei wose womu hia enkabomu womu kwa akoto aba no womu to ene womu ato awie sebe ya 8 no mpeso womu break ye no watimi adu sa abotaye no ho
Mantam so afọ kwamena wachere da akomensa echire mu a esan sikasem ho ntoto ya enkoso yie o mantam ho nti enwuma hodo a enko won ho odin a saso chen kura ba otumi gina won na so ni nyina ahwe asesa abre ya ya awra hosem ye pa wachere se sika esese enko
Enti facha ye se yenya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign team no ene na emom no ye Western Regional Minister Kwabena Ochireda Komensa to financial institutions ahodo no anim se womie ekwan emwa wosikasem na giemu ne kura mu no ne ade no womiem na wonkyeremu amanfo no nsema wodi tuda ene
Mantam so afọ kwamena wachere da akomensa echire mu a esan sikasem ho ntoto ya enkoso yie o mantam ho nti enwuma hodo a enko won ho odin a saso chen kura ba otumi gina won na so ni nyina ahwe asesa abre ya ya awra hosem ye pa wachere se sika esese enko manfo ede yie na de hyenwuma hodo mu e sika kura bia no nya no de hyenwuma emwa won da ache kwan bia so eno nti sika kura bia won potem ho nyina won modin se wachere manfo kwampa obefa so a odi sika ebedi dwuma se ne ebe ya ebeboa ankasa won
One of our biggest challenges in this country is that we hardly talk about how people are going to create money. As you get into your 50th year, I want you to continue to invest in financial literacy. One of the biggest challenges we have in this country is that people don't know what money is all about. A lot of people think that money is for expenses. It is not for expenses. It is for investment. It's only when you invest and make profits, then you chop some. Bank manager, is that not so? But most of us, when we get money, the first thing is to look at the television, we don't have it in our room. We look for the latest car our friends have bought. We look for the latest markets we want to sleep on it and be comfortable. And then the latest fried rice.
Her teachers, yeah, one more course model basic school. Yeah, no war Asante Achim Central. Mensini mo fre abai ene woma wonsem wo bie se school no ba bie dro sesi en wo mu hia emwa ene ma hodo betimi ama school na gina ne na so sebe ya adesua ne ade kire wo honso ebe yi.
Ane doso. This school ne nyine na ye koye ni 20 years ni ye nyine. Ko ane doso nti sene ya kan no classroom blocks ye nya bia beboa ye pi see ni MP ashebo say ambebe 3 unit classroom block. Yes answer. Yes answer say try kwabram ni expand ya. Obi yan kwa be with school. Obi a person in the babba school mu ase. Yes answer o mo ba na classroom three challenge intime enyu kwala ni na. Nti yoko so asre adom force o madom ye.
Nanya classroom tinkwa ni here. Enkonya kwada no betina so say a problem pa kwada no drop. Afei ye here toilet facility. Ti e besra adom for so mo mo no maye yamwa na say the school na gidi any din change there
Enwechi Okutan Sadani o Director of Education Elbosom Twemensine ne mu enso ni adom kase atwetwem komo no wadi tu dwase obeye de betimi ade aboa sebe ya wo mkawa wo no obetimi aso ano ama wo mu
ni free Asante Achim hayi nyame aboa makodi director ewo bosom twe no niema pa makohunu no ena me ban ha sei nso a me bo ho dawro se awofo ahemfo no obi biara education done akoma so me de ne ho begim na ya srenzo so say Honorable Minister of Education nema pa wa ye ho STEM education TVET haja no homre so ho no na da wo ma ode ebi nso so ebebre ya ha se dia men nso so anye bia se me free bosom twene me ba ha men nso so me hu se bio de me hu no ho no ebi aba ha.
Ejumako bi ansha banse wo Savannah Mantam ne mo ye Center for Rural Improvement Service. Wamwenya mo free United Nations Development Program hono ama sase yantam be se 15 die wono mo afuntum mu ya wono boa sebe ye akuafo nso wo betumi dua wono baya no baya no so beba no na aye kama ebi ene enwowanyen nom ne ade niam bebre na afe ba ku won di si wani so ode bo akuafo Adom TV kase etwaso
bank account with National Investment Bank in Solar. We are going to support them with seed money. We are supporting them with seed money. So a seed capital for that matter, so that it will support them to undertake their various business enterprises. And so for those who have already farmed, who already do their own initiatives to plow will refund the plowing cost to them.
Pani kwankyerefo ohwe hwedwuma ne nuane ho nsɛm so ɛwɔ solar tuna kalba mensini mu Mohammed Shiraz ɛso de ano bansɛm ɛma kuyi sɛ ɔno so na hwɛ yɛ no bɛyɛ de betumi bia ɛde aso wɔn asene sɛ ne bɛyɛ ni so ade hunu a wɔn ɛde aba mpɔtam hɔ no ebetumi ɛgyina ne na so na ɔmanfo anya ho fa so.
The chiefs and people of this community and elsewhere that our office is open 24/7. We are prepared to partner with Chris so that at the end of the day, the project will achieve its desired objectives. Please, Chief, once more, and elders of this community, my mothers, my brothers and sisters, our doors remain open. Call at our doors anytime. We are willing to come to your assistance.
Already open bank account.
Ne kokoboma emebunu wo man Ghana mu so mu ani na ho wo mbotaye wonhwe so on betumi edu ehun ma wontoto won ho ase na 2023 National Youth Conference ekoso na Trasako Group pani kwankyerefo down no de futuo yi ema.
My message to all the youth especially is that we all have something in ourselves and something has to trigger it. Okay, when we are young, we just like having fun, going out, having a good time, drinking, girlfriends. But there's more to that, because that will come to an end. And if you don't take the necessary action, you just grow old and you haven't achieved anything with your life.
Owie no sai editu dwa se emebunu momodin ase wani bekọ anamontu a wotu se ne beya wondaachi ebekọ nkan ho no ntwon free nneoma bi a emwa won ana emfamfa so die bia emre won ho.
But advise you to really take your life the youth to take your life have fun but hard work and a bit of luck. And when you are young you can be somehow irresponsible. Like I said, I did not wait to get the 5 million, but I was determined, and eventually I got it. And that's what made the decision.
Doma West District, yeah, no wabunomante mo nyamia domonti yade safi ya share siem kwada ya wo mo anka wo mo enyankwa ankra ya wo mo muwo ene abatan hwe kwa wo yeso a wo mo mana wo man record bi kra ya enu nyina dadi se nhehye pa eguna kwan so ewo ho Adom TV etoso.
Ijana apia brobe ya ono ne pani kwankyerefo hwa pomuden so Doma West mensini mu ekiremu a ne etumi aboa mo etumi enya abodin etese eye ayaresabe yahodo a wode akonkurase eni twaka papa eda apomuden adwumayefo ene wono ma ohwege awo ewompatom ahodo mu akyerese sanse ayaresabe ya nkurase ene miame ahodo ntino emama ya awo mu afafuro no nyakwan ko ayarehwe wabra omre ho kra ensema odi tu dwabinie
as a district ya recorded Sadia Nibida. Nina ye health facilities are available. Which I am Potsamuha, ye will cheap compounds in Ibebre. And in Tanam say, ye the health service and study your primary health services in Tiano. Ya carry health services to people's doorsteps in Tino. And Momutuan among a bar, a bribia or Mubenin saying, or more reporting them, baby a midwife for her. Into a reporting them, Tiatimishana, Copim say, ne time or Besua or Bewo.
Francis upon ya ono ne abankra chepeni owo Doma West enekubuwe chips compound na wasi ne foforo kra ewo apreku krom ano eno de tudwa se kroma no momodin aso obekora sa bia yi wofu a omondodo ho se ne ebe ya ahwefo nso ebetimi ahwe won yie na pomodin nso apegya ewo mpatam ho
de mesre nananom ene timamufo ewo ha ne se bema kosafudwuma ehia be bemmo sa facility ho ban na esomra emfaso de mesa ka kire adwumayefo mba beye adwuma ha ne se omunya ayarefo ho abotre na omunya omo adwuma na omunya omo kakai ye de nim se omakosua ntete e woni pa ho nti omunya omo ho abotre.
Paramount Queen Mother ya wa Sebu traditional area so it is some to jana a ko sampan wo de men was 2023 Asebu apanyem kese festival no de wo mo hwa na ankoma yi eniema ahodo anshot wo kuro no mu te se condom no ne ade na kwabrane abo no ne namase basada bi ni kwan sɛ de saa nneɛma no ne ba so wɔ hɔ na mmom deɛ bɛboa ma dimpa aka kuro no mu no na nananom atena nkonnwa hwɛ ne mu wɔ hɔ nanane Adom TV kaseɛ ɛde nkɔmmɔ yi
1 year na me celebrate me 1 year me more youth ni nyina wa ya aware I'm for the youth because I am the youth into no me pada what as there me being the youth queen mother no me want be adwuma amara me hye wono bo there sisi afehye ye bezi obeyi ye de he nyina ebe sere ye nukro ye ngina mo ringina asa ebupe ode ye kokro nyina do kosi amponsie nto ohe no ane do ohe ma wo no odo bo no de omanyen na ne hema wore ba besere na obi ye hunya no ndom na ndom no so we hunya obeyi ye de free mri to mri no ye bakasa mesra one more communication no nye adwuma
apejahene ya owo asebu nananom atrankonya nana obokese ampa enso ekyerɛkyerɛ sɛ de afi dwumadie ni ebesi akɔ ene nhyehyɛ ya ɛda ho nyinaa
Monday ono ye clean up exercise oye Tuesday no ye bibi atwenezin ancestral veneration ye kano obokese da kontu ono no ye kaka ewa akwar na yemo day yento won nchine Wednesday kuda no oye Women's Day ano no yebako funfumpom Wednesday no jama dana so ne yebaye apem kase fesfe yo den yewo
Adom TV Badwam kaseɛ na no pɛi no ha ne brema kwan na wadaroma me de asiase da ne yo de emra ne adaje a wo de hye kaseɛ no ebra na so sa wo kɔ awurade mfa nkombra ne mum sa wo nyo hyenkani dia bebi obeduro no ana wo phone no so Facebook/Adom TV ana se Go TV 119 DSTV ye 280 channel sa Adom TV ye hye ye twa ho sima ketwa ni abada wonkrata no ha online stories no so ye de beto so de amamo na fe agudie mu nsam apomuden ho enkomodie na fe ahosepe etu de nyi afidie ni free ha me basisi a kwasi kame ho na kwa babie me Adom TV Badwam na o hwa na fe no wabeka yensa news no ye wie de adu so no de wonkrata no na fe online stories na abeka yensa no tie da sipi emra wonya hwe ni tewu tie we ni mutewu ansa na wo pia na e wapie incoming Bismarck akosi ensia enso ayekra do ha be mapa me mo akwaba
afia mejo so
e bibia boko de
nyame adom ade pasa chie ne ne bosome nkron ne de toso biensa ne de na so bo ade ne de niye ene toso na hwe mda so kwasi ada o
okode
sem na so brante ma fie toye
me nda ne kwasi ada nyina
kwasi ada ne fie na no odin dodo
Saturday no so ye adwuma ne o wa no weekend ni nyame ye na adwuma no pa otosa
na me tete kwasi e betwa kusi November o
I want to the hiansi e benya chinye but nyame so nim de oye nti obehwe ye so obi enkwa huye
so e ba sa fie ye esi ne ma ne ehuna ma ne o
ene ne ma si da so semu be ne da ba time for ni teacher o ma wo no ade ya semo nti
asa ti kakra bi arko semu na
hiri nti sa season we ya hatata ne ma sa wo kakra no wayi from afam na inso ne sone a yempe ayi ni Beyonce first no na ye wo ayi wo fie about time dem ye sure so mu da so wo
ye de dry nkwada de
na ne ma no yempe bi wo ho aha nti wo kan se kura de abesie e ma ne draw so no so onze nti me ngo papa tem so ya to fa yon to ase na infections bi wo akuna ma wo ti sa ngo ye de ngo
we are now say bomb ni hit na bomb yi or how be any free mu no
sawati ase
e ba sa wo hia iron na hit
no na de ato ase
and it say all too high
hia high o de said o de to ne ma na afaye sa bo no e kakra bi hit ni kan kakra no
okay
ti anya ne sanso
na kom de ni nkyeremu enanam so asemba na so wan nkyeremu yi a ni pato an be so afia kan sentry ayo to look kakra bi e hye bi na
de we ade to o de na sa awode koto ha na afi bia sempo froba asia ni po nkoto ni nyina wasia no pe utu ni nyina so afine so nye bad
sei bia hye
o nyame adom se wa ohumi ahu se bibia ye kama radire ne ade ya hyase yie pa anti no enye eja ye ho
would be for fu ayo
ofa fu asa ono be hawo
daily guide oh if you are some here wahano Abrante say a friend Prosper Usu. No co school or Amstead. Former UCK. Say school comfort.
Abrante. But me have video and say oh didn't mo mujana will be antimi Russian fence so ma me do.
No bia so dwane apenetrate dim.
Because as oba wo ha e bi be kan wo.
Yes.
Yeah, ye do work school say ko sua de hwe de work fa to no so. School comfort na ho a de mo ano.
Oh no say we say e can school abrabon. Yes. E can school abrabon ho. I come to the best of 3-4 years ago. ABC the same school sir.
Oh sir.
On a junction no obodam.
Oh.
No see school comfort sir. But and dambo na be me yi free school bona. Ye ni ko fie. But
sabi
dambo.
Yo ni hu na de.
Da so nipa bo anu abo.
Esra mu ye ma ye nuanom ko school amunya very careful.
But I think say o say ye ko school so a ye pay attention to details. Evia okwa for example Amsterdam. First na ke friend no Jama group. So into kwa do nim say what joining Jama group. Then you see obi be a friend say Igwe. Ona ye penny ana otu like yes.
What I say.
And Abrante make us say so about them. Na onimu say there's a spirit backing Jama no mo ye no. On your core first year na level 100 now join office a Jama on free SHS number year Jama. But the do baby almost na ho ke kan kwen me so ye be we. So I think say level 300 or so ne ye Igwe. A honum na rituals be e be sha ase abam na wo be UCK wona esuba tank se bi e da honum. The friend na do jesum say omyenko nienko twa akoko moja mfa ngunsu because Igwe na ya ye no no.
Ne ho amamre ni.
Ne ho amamre. And Abrante na sunsu mo fom. Ti e fa ne se.
Afana akotwa nsuo na onim so ko no. Wonim nsuo no odon de edi wakotwa akoko moja agu.
Kwa ye ko no.
Anya careful.
Yes, e be joining groups there but you pay attention to details.
Ba kwesi anu na de me ba enu preaching wo sorry reverend tete e kan. On say ye ko ye ba nyina no so wa ma moja no wa ma na nwira wo ho a.
Yes.
Obi kura be hu achia wo.
Oh yes, and no.
Kwesi ahumanya wo nam de wo ye but sem fato ho bia kwesi achia wo. Wonim say no man chia wo say kwesi chia wo but e bia. So sunsun nya de na dom moja no nwira wo ho a. GBB ha genom ni ade nti bia ni. So ho ensuo kura wo di dwa ye ofi ensuo ba ensuo ni be bi efiri a aba bedu o pipe no mo. Ti moja no
ye try ni ma bi
wani na ho mu mi nyina ye ni na ho ye ni nipa ni bebre bibia tumi ye bibia tumi si mu mi ahwe ho yie hwe be bia wo free na wo wura ba bia wa kai wo nchi no ahwe de abrabo a wo bebo
school comfort and can say
what school say my enti iti ya ne say
your school fetish priest
anyway fi
baby ana say na abra wo se say won say the libia no so no man attire fetish priest no
I was a chief priest and your fetish priest tishano so a chief priest on your fetish priest
chief the crown or the crache fetish
yes so yes mo suatra na ya
edoso
and when we so be yentu so ye wo so baby a wo free wa nipa na akra wo mo ho ban ti mo mi anhwe hu ye
na busuanfo
hwewa tetewa de wa kusku
ya bedu benya so fa so be wie school na at least obe ye adwuma bia ya abusuan no ese school bokura wa nwene campus
na fie so
what is certificate
nyina na asasa ma no ye de hwe no fie ni ti
tete am kase chief priest ni ko school ya hwe ya hwe mom ye chief priest ni
title ketua bia ya no de no
yes o see can SRC president it tells you Crawford.
That's no you different.
Yes,
now when you house na we are. Who first house? Amuso sum wa brabo. Boko we ani hwe.
Koji medin.
Oya fe wo we na kano.
Fe na se no ho yira no. Ohu ba bi kura won fa.
Se won mura na obi adwan because se e kan wa. E be show. Se obi antumi nye.
E bi make atare a show so kura ni anija enye yonko so Kobiji juwe ni ma bena yede. FNT student fetish priest killed by fire. Ewo daily guide abokata emo. Mahama attacks Nana. Judges. Zongo Inner City's health outreach launched. Your prayers gave me victory. I need more. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia. Alan speaks tomorrow. Daily Guide. Daily Graphic. Probe committee to invite IGP for questioning. Smallholder farmers benefit from $69.7 million project. Expect more rains up to November. Ghana Meteo warns. Labour Commission directs SITAC to end strike. Eric Nyamiche inducted Pentecost chairman into Osei another 4 years. Akra Nyame enka na enyema nyina nwie peyo emfama. Daily Graphic. The Chronicle. Assassination attempt fails. Small-scale mining project boss recount how he escaped death by hair's breadth in Boga. Ghana scores 86.69% in the online security global cyber security index. Bank of Ghana acted within the applicable laws. Prempak. Mahama pledges to appoint NDC lawyers onto the bench. The Chronicle as soon as we no pain. The Financial online. No security personnel left Jubilee House over unfair treatment. Presidency. Ghana poised to tap into $34.1 billion global salt industry. Jinapo. Ghana car registration open to all from today, as only 87 public sector workers registered in 5 days. Cybersecurity Authority records 41,285 contract. Dr. Enchibu Esiako. The finder.
Fancy her na online so badwamonline.com and some no ahodo no be e ha ha na brema kwan na de bonkrata no ye de ACA akwasi ensie fia mankwa tamaklo na ye de bremu ye kwa agudie mu nsam Professor UK Wallace e ba wo wie pe ene ye hwa Apollo na wochi mu Apollo abapa anti no ne health tips ene ye di hu nkomo ne na wochi mu nyina nti ya mafidie ne na ha sister Sandy B ye guy dia ho sepe ebeto aso asemidika wo ho na fim pensim mu abanti mu afidie ne na ha ye da se ye kwaba
ewa Ghana gudim eja ka kire busuafo na fofo yire oma wo fasefo na nanam okurum no mprafo ina se prof nya gina mu a ye de nkoma hodo ensa ka o Ghana gudim so etuansa ba nyuma komienu omadama omna boys kadwete mena no pede nkomo no eba chane so ma me se game park games omre share so kwatia ba fees abre code all networks obetia dial *946# na afi so from 0 to 9 obetia select just 4 numbers per easy to play and easy to win boys dia edis kanya sem kuma kra omodin da de bia no ye draw no 8 Saba best prensa Adom TV so 9 a.m. 12 p.m. and after 6 p.m. daily from Monday to Sunday and game park games the san shares so create Saba eboa emaniama etia to yi de ama amafo asebenyado esika sem so ho akwatwe you can game park games there say more power more than regulated by the National Authority and after new moving otwe fa ho njim nyesa chachadiwa wadwene betia bomutiri betia san hyew ye kan na ohwese na nema AC course na ospice udi with Richoko betia bo ma nema etia kwedema Richoko abusua mansan ka bi ye oketwa ye wadentem na afensu ye obode ho on setimi ka betia bo amwa customize everyday nourishment no with Richoko so go ahead enjoy Richoko na first start today right in a Ghanaian way we mu any sponsors omo techira bo eme enano pensu dia o kensi o sempa saka 8 jao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step pensions here FMF matches out with 10 p.m. EPL Arsenal che Manchester United from coming and something Kanabako Chelsea 0 Nottingham Forest 1 and after Man City 5 Fulham 1 on the 7th of September and any Central African Republic for the qualifiers I to the African Cup of Nations or Cote d'Ivoire no 18 pensions ya there be and Sanchez on kono ebetun out of 50 over screen so abon squad no and ya de ato no my goalkeepers Lawrence Atizigi, Abdul Manaf Nuruddin, offense Richard Ofori, one more any goalkeepers aton said from defenders no Ali Duseidu, Kingsley Snyder, and offense Okwana Steven Ambrosius, Joseph Edu, Alexander Juko, Nicholas Opoku, Nafi Baba Abdul Rahman, Gideon Mensah, Nafi Emma midfielders na Abdul Samed Salis, Nafi Baba Idrisu, Edmond Ado, Andre Rami Didi Morgan Ayo, Nafi so Elisha Owusu, Mohammed Kudus, Ransford, and so EBP na Obam Western Nema Ezitia. There's a forward liners no Inaki Williams again, Antoine Semenyo, Nafi Jordan Pierre Ayo, and Nes Nyama, and I feel so Osman Bukari, and Joseph Pencil, and I feel so Jonathan Sua, will move any place coach Aton Sandia from Someboa Emaniama Intimi and Tutoyi and Fama the 7th of September Kesia Namia Doma Blasters of Ghana Yene I Central African Republic Edbe Pimsono Yen call line so Nafi Yen fa Songo Stake Emro Patrick Osajiman country Mansungu Ewalan so hello Songo.
Professor more fire.
Biaboko.
Biaboko now so.
You what ya Bibia come on so ha.
Bibia question. Now me and then my take on the Blasters and as in the player selection and a coach in the selection. In fact, Blasters and there are a whole lot of issues. You understand now the piano one professional way you can't you fire also where they it's here. First thing a quick one, even the team manager know that's what when they Blasters coach we baby bought a year last AFCON qualifying the Thursday. I'm not happy because Blasters team manager they say current coach in Yadi. Aji coacher or the World Cup me Korea and I'm going prefer so go and no my brush aside issue me and I'm gonna have a bubble. Blasters better than I say Blasters be no count o brushy issues be out. Now the wakoba be o cover be no brushy issues ni be out. Into better than no problem. Coach yes selection. Say your papa, say your papa. A better yet me kind of put no, and I say no current ye can't move yedi, and I say I mean papa them. Management as so Apple coach with me influence no. A better than a Blasters na ye. So-called football people, as in those who are in charge, officials are still influencing Blasters squad. Now me good team as sports minute. I say my investigation are finding out I say Blasters squad no plan. Influence be any manner. Now, Ukubusa coach, the coach, they see influence be anyone or no one in the squad. Ukubusa management members, and I say so-called football people, almost influence squad, no coach and the squad. Sana to say we miming to Muda, and I'm expecting so over here to because Blasters in here now for some time, for years. Oh, dear, out of 41 years, I ain't the couple. Mami Mao, 10 years. Our Blasters in ye in a bad selection. Especially over, 10 years. 10, 9, 8, 7 coming. Blasters in a bad selection. Influential selection. Influential selection as influence. Go for 4 players back. In the country of Yajiwomo, near Jiwomo. Go for said they are in charge of Blasters. It's no more players as him. The football so no more players as him. No matter how coach in this or no professional, Mr. Squad we may fully satisfied with it. Your last match against Central African Republic. If this is the squad that coach in GDC will beat me, Eddie Amia qualifier. Fantastic. But you see, AFCON qualifier and the Ghana Blasters easy money. We've qualified more than 20 times. You have got tournament, you are 4 times. You understand? Now, you know my year now, but I'm 41 years into me and a couple. You understand? Me, somebody will be wishing, Senka, me unqualified. Me and find your team, and I say, because overqualified, how do you struggle to qualify? Say we have draw win against Central African Republic. Okonho, when the first match went to me and said no. Also, Beshan will come to Ghana and San will qualify. How? And a first game, look out, boy, against Central African Republic with the crew. Blasters struggle. Blasters team Omunyadi. Let's Central African Republic Omunyadi. Omunye good with football, Musa. And almost but Blasters was struggling to beat them, to even draw with them. You understand? So Blasters, with correct players, any correct managers. I know any perform ASF transparency, professionalism based on merit. Any day, a papa and your papa and Kahua. It's our adrenal mentality no arma on board. And your Blasters be over 4 so I qualify for AFCON. Over AFCON in a group of 4 Blasters very. Yeah, who be that? Blasters were in a group of Comoros, Gabon, Morocco. Blasters and to me a match back or Cameroon. You understand? Who for so as a Cote d'Ivoire we mostly a bank Ghana. Say Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast they bank Ghana. Mostly where Dani to say Ghana. Mostly a Gianni to say Ghana. It ye kwa kwaji. Ghana dan you know, you see a kwaji. 40-41 years I yet mean ye. You could be a see a kwaji. Yemfa emu 10 years be and say Ensha Afcon Ayako. Sika Yediako taxpayers money. $10 million, $15 million, $12 million, $20 million. Yet me crowd the $22-25 million for African Cup. African Cup Afcon. Ya course so ani ya sakwa could do 116 keke. Yintimenye. You understand? So it's like are we taxpayers money near and go for person ya de konya coin rechi ya hu ya koma isika to say blasters re na ya ma a management member 13 billion old Ghana cedis. As no more, and I say more blasters ye say ye be ye blasters day ye be qualify ye bet me and your team bobo come a future and ye bet me have players based on merit, correct players. No more back, woman future and ye bright mind bobo ye and one for correct players are utim go, utim in cap. One two correct players, one for correct players. Utim enyadia omubeko and umbetimi handicap and umbetimi ball FA and umbetimi ball yeda. You understand? Football no, it's about say oh yeah the right thing. The business of the game and it's obey the right thing. Ube making sure say you take good managers, you call good players, so that that business about Sikano is so bound for so because target in this obeje trophy. Now when you're fantastic team, now finally Sikasu on side they aka but what target is Sikano first. Now say we no me ya o tournament be a film. You understand? Playing against Central African Republic, we have to beat them. We have to beat them hands down. But Ghana has to no see show hands down. Central African Republic team by now we have to come to Kumasi near Shewomo. Yes, the team near ya qualify to Tobidi. Mama Manina or Ghana for a team near to Tobidi. And I can do find ways, backdoor, finding ways, BBB to qualify so-called football people because AFCON, African Cup, they taxpayers money budget, you bet me the players are called African Cup, the VRC, not yet me showcasing the players, not the VRC, the VRC, to players, now almost when you musika. Sasika Sika mentality na but say blasters be ye bobo ball FA ebe coaching papa ebe timi trophy no they are not looking at that. You understand? So I say these are the best players for now against Central African Republic. These players woman do one you against Central African Republic woman to be about woman do one and you playing against Central African Republic, more. I blasters and me and shall go back. Woman to me, I'm okay. But Ghana have Kumasi Sports Stadium. Yes, now ya creative is a avenue of young first supporters near Gumabu Kumasi Sports Stadium. Now supporters are forced so I did there. Now blasters the pinte and your boy Papa Biao. No, and you go back to be no, they are qualified. Yes, a blasters in AFCON, but AFCON here qua yen fatas PS money in new machi Sikani de qua cap and yan cre Omoboa. Building the team, calling correct players, having good technical bench, and no bit mama blasters IE. Me and saying I said taxpayers money at the Bia blasters in Hunti. Yeah, the copper near the target. See, you bet just scared, you know. Sadly, no think a tutor. Sadly, no think you see, I know. You understand? At least we cut our quote according to our size. National team there, Kakrabi, no affair correct players, no piano, no Marco ball and your team. You need and your team players that they can handle the occasion, players are more form, players who are good and you flow. And you'll be a keke or bobo will say, oh, my friend blasters because or bobo because me say player it will team. No. And you call players. How who say mentality is here apart from so many good or your best player or your world best player or your African best player. You look at now the mentality now they ban national team no will you own Bobo Papa or ban national team more. So please
okay
national team blasters no Enoma enye tisenia or say a yema Ghana for.
Okay.
And we are expecting say against Central African Republic, yes, so we move as they are qualified for AFCON. Yeah. Now you make sure say you have correct players.
Okay.
You make sure say that you can DNA a blasters no. Yeah, testo near the junior course you team you have correct players as supporting team no. I'm a team name at me competitions at me I the agent beat to say African Cup.
Okay, so
AFCON. It's 1 p.m. Or the prof 1 p.m. I'm fancy squad we Ghana for wow when you will be 1 p.m. Oh, a fire for fire, and then Adom TV. We are met to us 1 p.m. or fire for fire. Blasters. I mean, it's not about the squad, it's about no cracker. I bet me, I blasters ye for more fire.
Okay. Nti Patrick Osageman countryman Songo and now the Songo stake and so it me about him some pajani jinam Chanoswam said nimli to Mr. Bokran Media Sporting Club for Dreams Atrom 2-1 we are champions of champions Baso Cape Coast Sports game park games on the success from Kwetian Sabasacha Chai boys dia dino and yasam keto crab more than that Saudi Hubitian San Jim also let just 4 numbers from 0 to 9 now Odia took easy to play and then easy to win more than that Oda star 946 hash now for all networks no select na for Odia ball now bomb and yama etiam kwede ma Jordan kopum kwese no ye de draw no 8 and samba into draw no about 3 times 9 a.m 12 p.m and 6 p.m daily and a draw no 8 by can game per games are some more power from gym number more sika 7 8 kwe ye kana richoko bomodian da richoko waiting the social nom obetime so de ayensu nyuso anom richoko ne oketo ho yo adentem anafi obode na nkasa enso obetime asa to na twede ho musesanom kakran krasa ebetian boa ema matimi anohyimude no nti Mr. start today no with richoko na in the Ghanaian way betian boa maniama atoide ma we mu ene sponsors ne mu etuturu to ne twetwe twete chiri boa emena no pensu de nkomo 18 brel sister Sandy be a guy no krenya menim nkomo de ba entertainment enkan su kra utimi sampa sister yi na kruchia de ba no se yi ni na ase amahwa utimi sampa ase no fia so bon sama bodwe nyame adoma nkomo bibire na betian saba so erade ntene ni manyo kese within the profit wala sagudi catch back up maswe so
Mwakwa ya Adom TV Badwam health tips ehun komo na brason se yedie ne ye hwe Apollo abapa nkro mpanio yedi ho enkomo ti me wo me Dr. Rachel Kusi Akosa ya wo ye optometrist wo Frederick Optical Service yede no edi enkomo dog ye mwakwa ba
Isafia Majors
na wi aboko
me Adom Shai de bia
yede nyame ase ahofere so do da so gire mu
yedi wachi
aha ani se we yes an ho no se Apollo abapa o
ayampa
wow it's your acute and your chronic Apollo.
Yeah.
Because acute Apollo, you want to go for deep power, but me Apollo no to be a kind. Because acute one, I know you.
So acute hemorrhagic conjunctivitis. In simple terms, Apollo. Infection seasonal. Eba. Na eba the part of the eye affect conjunctiva. He said the conjunctiva, the white part of the eye. Na uhuno ehwo na affect it is an infection is a ba obehu nipa no and ye din come be ka nsanso bebre me ba nipa ni so na infection na infectious just say it means spread easily enti ehwo na breaki e ka sa Apollo na ba seasonal ehwo na trinity ehwo na ekọ so that is it affect conjunctiva of the eye
na conjunctiva na white
I don't know when you know so make sure what is afia black no unsa white than chain there's a thin membrane a kata black no so and as a white no so kakra so se woni no eye lid na se up and down but the hu no white woni white no ye eta konya Apollo ne ba affect sa white part of the eye no yes na ye ho
ntia no ye di ho enkomo na wotwi Apollo ehun komo na ye di ntia no wabie so e de ama ye no wo se ye hwe how did you plan your friend Apollo?
That's it. Research says in 1969, time Apollo, the first plane landed on moon. So no, that time and coincidentally, Apollo ne buy. It will be him say, unless a mass virus ni free a real mobile said but and I'm says that time no, the first time I call space hono and a sign infection ne buy no buy a dim power into no near the two Apollo. It's Apollo 11. And until no so can a Kaya said is the first time human landed on the moon. And only Apollo no.
Now, so all can also say a bad season. Yeah. An Apollo Taba.
And most of the time, both said you are to tell Bremu, and no yet the echo form no, not Trinity. The Trinity was one person represented, not another one because you cannot disappear spread pa. I am very fast. I am very fast. It's no. It's a conditioner. I don't me a dance so. Oh, and when your patient be or bar, me clinical, this is easy. Na I read and easy man. And it's a conditioner the same way I can say is very common in schools, in churches, in public gatherings and kasano a idea spread the pa.
So being be no one protector who also that say be your one.
A idea, in fact, Papa be case dear minyae across small boy and a diffi school by and on the best signing your ketua and quano to a montem. But mother now bahano. In fact, the name now who any finsu and easy
Apollo
and easy. And until a condition as I say, I can say, Doctor phone in him say a common pa a hard drink. And until I see a share not as soon as possible. No, yes, so I know. And I say, yeah, my foot to a year, you know. Oh, fear what Apollo no was someone. What me change say, we are obeying Apollo na a day. Mr. By to say, then I mean share science, but I mean symptoms by Yabeka about prevention. And I crab before Sobesiano, Nina washing, like a sabuao.
That's it. And you mean from Siana, a benada, Yabeka near a course Apollo, Sabu been a becca you say from most a deal or down my benada, Yabetwa so, oh, yeah, say. And that's Dr. Rachel, Kusiakosana. While being a little my Apollo, a one, now what she ye do who and common to what's on your me, I do my share. Now, yen share courses, dear Apollo, no, a baby fear among qua Tamaki.
And Sacra Munumbi. I know few people are almost showbiz industry, and Sacra on Numbi and Tampi one Shibi. At the same time, no showbiz there, minimum crofwa. Bonsam Tower. Omo bon say a tea roll reading me omo chimwan kasa obeje dey say ye shows and say shows dey Adom TV aye bebre ti go first near ade na her say show na ya soma me Sunday ko fra artist we bra me mo obi ade anope me ma ha se me be go obi ani ma se o ye se ko fra artist ni bra ukọ ne ho wo bie ya kusi bon oba o artist oba ko fra ase me si bra na no say gospel artist Adom TV yekoye gospel rock show more totwa e no hono nsabu gospel artist wo full stage and handkerchief already won him o if you fretness some can say Holy Ghost ayansa enti addiction ya de a hankophobia we showbiz we say mu and just few people and na etimi eba abonten eba gitum eka wotimi hu obi ese we washe we cocaine or drugs or deny because you go to explain tire no evidence. It's a few people now about Bonteno. I mean, we need maybe more ya rehab or Ghana go any rehab. As I say, Ube for rehab or pab or ding. It's an only command or pay me pese your name doctor chain because psychology no you know we specialize in sad drug addiction no. And so yeah how you bet me aboa genuine maybe an no pay wo hwe me o entampe how drugs say how. You can't come out and come and talk because you are a celebrity. Me pacho nkwa ho hia meti. Tie doctor ma me wate. Doctor pacho akwa ba biem.
That's bebre. O kasa nyina meti pa.
Yes. Doctor ye krom has say minim say is everywhere but ye krom has say no ya aginsem artist bebre ho mo full stage no ma twitwim pa o. Enye so obi say doctor me amani show us say the minimum some use for energy say without it some mean perform for any kind perform you whatever it is addiction doctor ade Mr. Oboneto fama na yen to aso
yo me da se bebre and it's a very very important subject na no pay why we raise no so your kasa addiction aya bi wo hono ma nkofo ye ka addiction na me fancy bi a weed ana bibisa na buy adwin addiction e bibia wo ya ye te say compulsion aya te say chronic ade bi a wo ya wontimi njai e be ka ho obi wo crap obi timi aya addicted to food obetumi ayɛ addicted to sex. Obetumi ayɛ addicted to gambling. And yama bebree.
Okay.
Yɛntimi ngyae. Nti adeɛ pia yɛyɛ a it causes change. Any substance or anything we do that causes change. Ɛwɔ yɛ adwene mu. Actually create addiction. Into drugs now nkrofo ye no there were components bi wom and our chemicals bi wom when you start here very difficult to stop.
Wow.
Into that honoma bi do say or try ashe and now me fan ba ko pena me hwe sene ya working. The fact say wa fa na ama because your friend mood altering drugs. It change your mood. The moment I'll be fine. Either say bema why is very low. And Abema were very high. Abema were happy. And I say, a bit in for because oh, I'm confidence and I'm self-esteem cost. Because of that, the moment Emma we yes, most of the time you have to continue doing it to get the same effect.
Wow.
And as a wofa, me fancy beer, send ya walking, watch joint tobacco, and I say spliff normal friend with cannabis. What spliff no what share, what puffy back. Next time, gradually, no body no and our brain no it develop to be a friend of tolerance level. Tobacco enough beer. At the sense, alcohol considered as a drug. Into one glass and then gradually one glass, you be I said another one glass and will feel no. Won't feel it abium. It's we here 2 glasses, 3 glasses, 1 bottle to have effect now unya before. If you all proper unya effect biya, but what ya a drew stage biya and say and now we use drugs no to cope with everyday life.
Wow.
It will be and yeah about say or pay effective. Why the stage biya so anya ontimi and function. I be a part of that.
Wow, this is serious. This is very serious. At least the mood here because Dr. What kind of my dreams to say then there's a far back watch now before 2 before 3 4. I don't know my father say no my nam crumbs no. But how does one stop? A quite ben sooner aside rehab near I know. So be a chichimwa no per se nay or jai or man and so send your case money energy near the no per se oh this time around the best many kind of stage. Then and you can bet me I bebuano.
I think, sir, before you make a post stop at the end, you need a whole time for us to discuss this because there's more to it. If you are on my catch and go so won't die drugs here, we see, and I won't die inside them or die outright. Obey me, a bit me, obey me, a bit me affecting, a bit me, I'm an abodam, and Yama be breathing. Yes, the best thing for such a person to do is we call something safe reduction. So obey me, reduce it gradually. Instead of just stop it outright. A very important step. A friend said, Obi Badwam, and reduce it gradually.
Okay. It's nice. You chema would jai at once. Say watch we would jai at once. It's me Badwam at once.
Yes, a bit me ama niama ako bone ama pa. A very important.
I say why you mo can say o me jai na o mo nyai ka crash ho. My name's artist via or no yes I would watch about 15 years. Very popular Ghanaian artist. Oh yes so Ojaya for no I to one or so Ojaya or Badwam to nya ibim. It's ni pasano. One also here safe reduction ni na any other method bia ebebuano. Hello.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, dog. Me too. Can say.
Obi betimi asori anapa say major drugs use. Obi okay. Obi siso honoma or yes na. Obi betimi yes obebodam. But ye free bibi withdrawals. Na withdrawals no. Ebetimi ama eniama enko ye ema no ne health wise. Obi betimi nya seizure. Obi betimi collapse. Obetimi say ne heart be do. Nti important to say nipa sa no obenya environment bia obetimi kwa for medical doctor obetimi reduce gradually. I say no ye wo inura obetimi e de ama nipa no obetimi afa gradually. Me fan say me person me born ruby because me person go for be chemist wo afa.
Yes.
People ha wo no nsa and I will use drugs there are substitutes. Your friend OST, a substitute treatment. It is a wokwa. You bet me a mao and no. It be a you see cannabis and now be you see heroin and now cocaine and now they are use no. You bet me be a safe. Even alcohol cry. You will know a medical in run. You bet me the amount. A safe. Would be gradually will be reducing. It me meant na han control be a say. So nipa ne use drugs bebree and also ono monsa bebree konako jai, yes, jai, but get the necessary support. Also, one of the most important thing is the social network. Sometimes I hear if you say people use these things for a reason.
Yeah.
Because most of these artists, all core stages, if you would be about a gospel artist, for instance, their confidence, anxiety. Obi betini perform in front of 5,000, 5 million people. Obi because let's say the period and then friends say only confidence. Obi anxiety, obi full stage no cry adding. Obi also are keeping up with appearances or yet celebrating. People are expecting a lot from them. Budget should be for them. When they use the drugs, it helps them, it assists them and keeps them going. And so we need to look at all these factors. And sana waka so jai drugs use. It's when they are in treatment now. Treatment ain't just jai drugs use. It's about what is actually going on for this person. Every point before by celebrating no your friends say, oh, what problems that are, or what other social issues, if your family problems. And yet drugs is the main thing. It's about what is the underlying factor, what is actually causing this person to use, and now for social factors. And I just said because we're celebrating, you feel okay to use. So we need to look at all of these things. And some are yasha drugs nankasa because we also being jai drugs use no use or jai and there. Or china problems no that's so. Once the problems are there, they'll go back to it. Also, may I forget to say drug use is psychological as well as physical. We are treating jai drugs use. We have to look at the psychological impact as well. Wow. And then we need to look at these factors.
Yeah. Maybe buy your chrome. How about downtown? Or make me a shock quite a bit in the grass. Or make me like I say spiritual. Be near you know. I mean this side of town there. Or make me like I say be crying a you know. Yadi we a full sini yem sa one share. But maybe I will be you will be a credit hobby. It's artist no message mo. Uti and some Dr. Ekana. A home be here say we into any form of drugs. Obey slow down kakra. What I say? Eti real quick dog patrol jina suma me na yen share video we say e pop up on TikTok e ho no yen share mbasisi an yen twansem ne sutisia. Oh, this is Kwade. Yegina ye come for Kwade. Ghana Kwade. The guy who can rap or style of rap would be such a very talented, vibrant young guy. This is Kwade now. Doc. It's
very sad. I mean, I think the material say, we have to use it as an educational to create awareness. Sometimes, who said TikTok, any videos be air around, maybe Ubiabu or Kotogatem and all that. But I think so we need to raise awareness to say, Senya Woking, this is a very talented guy. This is a role model to the young people. Not BBC AC, not to the young, to the nation. Not BBC AC. What can we do? What has he got any support network? And one alone no mobile, one alone a bit to me as supporting, one alone a bit to me dinner call recovery, a place where he can go through recovery, which is very, very important because it's sad to see something like this, but there's still hope. There is still hope. And whatever he's using are affecting him. And then I make kind of say there's the physical element and there's the psychological element. With treatment, I'm not sure exactly what he's using. And as I say, so people use a combination of so many things. It's idea back. And as some of these things coming up, we don't even know them anymore. Because in new people combine now. We don't even know. It is about really spending time with him, finding out what is going on. So what is actually going on? But like you're right, it's very, very common. But I think young Kasana, we need to step up with the education to people, creating more awareness. Say, these things are toxic. They are very, very, very addictive. And they cause lots of problems. Even after the treatment, on recovery because there are other long-term mental health effects with these things. It's important to say maybe you see a media platform to really promote awareness.
Dog me that CP so I'm ready to change and come. Nyame adoma wuku ada mesa to achieve because come no ewa na yen san to ayen come to change so. Dr. Gazy ewo UK abrochimemu or you specialized in addiction and Gazy or specialized in addiction. Into ono ina no achweche nkomo. Nyame adoma wukuada no. Yebesa alcohol no achweche nkomo. Dog, me da wasi pi so nya abre ne achweche nkomo ina no pay.
To cry.
Me ba nyame adoma wukuada yento aso nkomo no wa very educative into me pese.
I'm very glad because it's about time. Yeah, we talk about mental health and everything, but addictions me free. Okay. And I think it's about time that not just even the street, the illicit drugs, we need to talk about over-the-counter drugs, we need to talk about alcohol. And I think, yes, I would say, let's start doing that. And I'm happy to come on board for us to really raise awareness to say, it's about time. It's about time. So thank you very much.
All right. Now, quick one answer na major howe there wadaroma. Me who say boys no say so mo free be happy balloon. Omuhu balu eno ye den like niam beba o eno ye den
and also another thing I have to say happy way and what you call it high and but very dangerous because it does affect the heart and it's really sad to find out Ghana as well. And we need to let people understand that these things shouldn't happen. And I think that in hospital outlets, near shopping malls, near the end, we need to have information there to inform people, to schools and that, to pick up leaflets and all that, to educate people about the fact that media makers are the PPM is 6 a.m. and 7 a.m., even if it's 5 minutes. And specialists can come on the radio or TV and just talk about some of these things. That would be brilliant. It's dangerous. Our balloons are very, very dangerous. Would this shape be will be a catcher and says, I need your own stay away because impact will be in this.
Dog, ever start watching? I mean, I don't watch now. You quite now. Yet the week now watching now. Yet the bay addiction home come on. Nayabwa and Mebununi, Medasipi.
Then that's it.
It's Dr. Annie Gazy, and I know HHA and Como and they are not paying. Yo, you gotta listen. Showbiz, it doesn't mean drugs. Debbie, whoever our catcher will say, showbiz no here BB substance via when you sway shit. Your catcher will say showbiz no, just a witchy man. Me sister send me to way, meet me na stage, click, when I'm in fence you cry. If you are not in fence you. So, but the whole example shows says, meet me now we energetic with no substance. It should tell you, so you can also do it. And Mebunu na ebano. We are saying Nigeria mo dead do. Shisha. Balu ya Dr. Ike. Uhu. Na mo sa di shisha. Shisha. Hey, cancer is real, bruv. Cancer is real, bruv. I was saying when you break. Now we be kofi ampedu yenya awareness ni enko schools ni ade because nkwala no mebunu ni bebre say drugs. Oh. Mo shishi wi ani ade no. Dr. Me who say ni da so e wo honom. Memo abemumbu rehab centers and ye hear more e wo Ghana because ade ne ko bi e kwan ade ne ko rehab kwa hen ye ne beko. A few private ones be in the workroom has say. Ye de be si na ya to aso asemi dika to aso akwasinsia ebeba area pensen mu so ebeba. Well be Kofi Ampedu me director Fantino ne obed osmosis sound Eugenia Baden echimenim edema me na me rig ne de hair logistics GH on Instagram and TikTok. Hair Logistics GH. Matadine so there. Please shop my dress from Miss Goldie's boutique, Santa Maria Blue Kiosk of Mame or one side papa quality goods from Turkey and London. Miss Goldie's boutique. When I being our tired and affordable. Beshawa unkwane show na dinam krum. Me amene guy no ushamu krum wadaroma. In Seattle, fansa boom na famame. Big shout out to my TikTok family. Boza, I'm out.
Nipa hundo. Ye man kan kwani ye man pun 20 ebe kan no kro ya enim amachire de ka asembe ye de atwam na yakọ bebre de achi ye omo ebeba bedi de akwasi ensia asemi de ka ebre na asin era so ajebre na gusu ehwe bedwam on Adom TV DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 YouTube, uko search for Adom TV. Uko Facebook, search for Adom TV. TikTok, Instagram. Baby, I will search for Adom TV. Ne follow me so akwasi Insta on Facebook. Best na kakra best ni atwamu enkwedie enkomo se Ghana ato ayedi eye police for so mbo pose o metu IGP every akunya kese so. And some of the revelations na eba no eja ayem hye. Amande payam hye. And someone COP Alex Mensah Police Commissioner ya onche obekọ na humigiem ekeka ewo mrahye de fiem no ehu. But I said people be say so the bread and butter issues na way mem no ebi na epeti ya na. Anyway ya yeye. Yet to oh my goodness ka edigumi. But show one of the videos, one of a semwa COP Alex Mensah eko committee nanim odi akwa to dwa. Me say ensem na papa no eka ne bi no ehu na na no pe me no ba wie no ubehuru die ntuntia. O se me ani bre. Oye ya police fo no emu. Quickly. Amenchiro ne me course wo adult committee nanim semwa COP Alex Mensah eko to dwan bi na meto aso.
A discussion or conferencing or whatever you had with Chief Bugre Nabu. At some material time, Superintendent Asare was there physically.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, he was there. But as I said, if he had what I was talking to, Buhinabo, Asare was sitting at the back. If he heard it, yes, he can confirm. But I cannot say that he heard everything that I was saying to Buhinabo.
Were the two of you expecting that Superintendent Asare will hear what we're saying? Were you expecting that he would hear it? Or you didn't want him to hear it? In the same meeting?
Mr. Chairman, what I was telling Bugre Nabu was meant for Bugre Nabu, but Asare could have heard it.
And if he heard it, then he will confirm it. Is that not so?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Your good friend here, you know, he, was the reason for the adjournment, you know. He says now he has the basis to continue with his interrogation. And I think he has a flaw. So please listen carefully and see how we'll be able to make some progress.
Mr. Chairman, you mean, oh, okay.
Yes.
Honorable.
Yes.
Maybe Honorable doesn't know me, but I know him very well.
Oh, I see.
Yes, he was my student at Bekwai SD Secondary School.
So this is a teacher people affair. Oh my God!
I'm trying to remember. Yes, I'm trying to remember. Actually, I'm a product of a
Enti quick one. Baby, my attention wo na wanya no. Ensem na wo tape na eba ene so ne confirm no. Asem ya asi a ye nyina ye tu ho na mo edi ho nkomoi. Also ye Ghana ni a. Oh. Ejawo awreho. Asem bi wo mu a COP Alex Mensah kan ya. Police from penifo bi akan big dada. The politicization of Ghana Police Service. The rate at which yadi a party sem every ya bambo eduma konim. Papa ekanisem no ebrebi waka wase Wo free person obey IGP wa Ghana nyane since 2017. Since 2017. Yeah, sure in Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And wo free prinity say obey IGP enya bone. Enya bone. Because now they are IGP akonya no ebedam pan. O se nipa pre ekweshem. But akomana nipa de pre akopre sa akonya no ene ye haw. On bitterness na ewo COP Alex Mensabun. On yaudie no. On de wi okasa no. On sa yaudie no. Ene man yehu. Yama NPP ni NDC afa sebi no mu ewo man mu. Eno maye yankwa. Omo bon to na say we are coming to serve omo boa. They are coming to lord over us and gradually the omo lord over yen asomanfo. Oko beka enya nwanwa say police service there. Amonyo sembe koso. Hey. Wo na akasa. Okay. Manfa ko website na me show enhwemu bia Texas University for be about armed robbery cases in Ghana. Shadi or how? Men conclude asem we ho. Men conclude and figures mebo so wa hanu nyina every Ghana Police Service Information Service Department and every ever. Was it the trace and patterns of crime in Ghana, the case of robbery? Now, do you know, say, from 2014 at I think 2019, yes, and Shemui Ekosono, 2017, and I record the highest armed robbery cases in Ghana. 2017, and I record the highest armed robbery cases in Ghana. Out of the 5,600 armed robbery cases, of course, so within this spurt of years, 2017 going past 1,700. From 2014 up to 2019, I say 18-year report, 2017 the highest, with 2014 recording the lowest, 1,160. See, our police force us so much to chop Makasa 19 say yeah. Do you know the security implication on my Ghana? Yeniana police foko chi tuku Nakasa police ni because of chronobo. Bulonva hu se semuntia. Yeniana Ghana foka say what information ma police fua wonye ni because on meliki. So how much more obia on pay IGP asem? No per se IGP bofom. No, yes, senior police officer. Okaso di IGP abura. Uni nipo do mabro. The over 30 million population in odi abro. Over 30 million population in odi abro. Me si figure sa me bosu nyina ko Ghana Police Service a. Omude temu a ewo. Se police ni ka se all leak information ya when or how ye won Ghana when or how ye won. That is why we need to get the crazy ball heads out of the Ghana Police Service. And no be an SFT so. You can't stay in the service with such bitterness. It's a funny say normal. Oh, MPP for mu crop for, NDC for mu crop for. Na NDC focus on more bo MPP for buga. Wouldn't the best Ghana? Wouldn't the best? And no sem no me no e ye worry e de maye. So big die NDC MPP su e wo police mo o sem no me ni kabom ni ye pam no wo ye mambofo wo ye papa ni. Obetimi abogana. So woni mo a. Such a person can say only key information ya. Woni mo how about to Ghana? Say IGP we yaba Yen penasem. Ye police officers. Ya kantima no. Because no kro wom ye say. Krono boko swa yen frɛ Ghana Police Service o. Ye frɛ IGP. To be ku IGP ni mu asima Ghana bo. Se bitterness wuro bi mu e wo secret service mu a. E no se transfer so mani so society we so. Ha? Ye to so mani so. Records nam dia ma no. Me see Texas University report on on armed robbery cases in Ghana from 2014 to 2019, 2017. I recorded the highest armed robbery cases in Ghana. Min conclude she. Mo adwum na obetimase. COP Alex Mensah say o shasia preso obeye IGP 2017. Masami na wate. And so sad in so. MPP NDC politics and papa, especially in our institutions. Oh, how near Benedia betim ya breno, so an iota idea. Kautia kabebohum, kauyembeshu. Chronobona ye konhuamane ye komoso, minu mienu. Miminu mienu. Yena yen kebi shemu no. It will be mistake obey no ebetimi agya krono e oye man obi mistake ye obey no me see it na Ghana ni say what information ma please na onyi ni enya me me sa survey no Mr. CDD Ghanaians trusting police service e wo form ye nyi wo mo ni because what information mo a on be likino ofi say ya godie this report in my face where a patron do. Yanyim ranking cantia. And I'm the man, so dear Gibre, Mabunkuta crime the atro. Gibre no king can this report the trends and parties of crime in Ghana. The case of robbery, Joseph Apia in Jamfi. The University of Texas. Gibre no king kind. You understand the entity kwasi etna say, and must one of the among yourself, and raise secret service more, or much say. They don't deserve to be there. Asa, who? Bitterness na COP Alex Mensah, dead, Dino, who? Now back to the committee. I think 7 penny for months so to the beer. A penny say, what do you now cause any none as a fataye? We see you ensure the Ghana for BNC. But when we enter a parliament, we must pass show no. Because to the be a Mancasa so come council of form. Mumu MPs no. Monocrat council of form. To Mancasa come to Muncasa crown ni say, as if we yan yajet to the Ben say, a bit no way Namana Wesunama. Because to be honest, baby as sad when Namwa, ye shown a life no, and yet a win here. A win here. I win you. Anabatacha. Hey yo, all of James Agaga, I won't hear. Hey, yes, be shama Ghana for Ahadia Echo Street. But we no crack cover for Muntino, Musro, some question more tears as we. Na can you send me a cacamunco and Muntier? No one 12 months from what you won't buy. Don't forget, Yura a breya cool a tell you what's here. Only one year between a brenna your woman yabre papa. Niama sansem se be a for people to know, say there are loopholes even in our security service. Who and you're dangerous. Oh no, that's the decision. Say about broadcasting the life. No, I'm why speaker. I'm why who? Someone stop the live telecast and be truthful to your own self. If I show you the ni pambane fuwa amama who do chewachia ya jiboni so timuma wo interest economic political interest of Ghana mu etie information we nyina emye hu safre please be kokomwa enchichemu wom. And do you know what that information can do to Ghana? ebi am ka so mo ya kandifu e bedwen Ghana ho na nya pesame nkuminyafo wona be pre Ghana ye yo ne Ghana puntuo Medin dia kwasensia live on YouTube search for Adom TV na hwedwe media live and so hon mabiyafo atrase yere ko hwe eba abaihye so Haruna Mohammed Deputy General Secretary Edema NPP Amiyoko Sanso na Bernard NPSA member of the NDC National Communications Team abatra se no ma wetwe ko mo video me body ama ba ma abiyafo akwaba jina boko de boko yere mes ben ehye
go panda roma
waso de ndaso ya she na otwe fu ase de akotoso
but neti aikoto abane de nyensan kan
okay
nyensan kan bra
Jenwa
yes
people want to say
ekosi yima
bo acheja kwese musisi no
say so ya yenchichiremu aka say constitution no bibia ni o say you break the rule in the party's constitution and we there our democracy kabina min kabi na all can he's showing say the opinion now or but the party decision stands.
Okay, but say the challenge in here say dear the man your house say yakwa abato now there's a tie. Near say you select a few number from the majority of numbers na ebeto abana and akwa could decide on the
because constitution no ewa lacuna.
Okay.
In article 10 article 1319
okay.
And chair say yakobotaya see never because time no cra na emum mutual constitution no in the spirit and letter of them no oman to me who say tie ba ebitimi ayesi and the constitution e ka say yenko na yenko yi 5 contestants ye call ye no ye 6 contestants 6 contestants no ye the 6 no kwa e be break the law in article 1319 of our party's constitution. Now, committee for the elections no reporting my National Council on the 30th no. Now, article 10(3)(1). Now, issue me say the National Council has the power for the well-being of the party no. You take a decision. Now before you take a decision also the Directorate for Legal of the party no throw a 3-page document my National Council. And then election committee no so MI 3 strands say ebitimi agina party no as National Council on the second highest making decision body of the party no yetimi AE1 say young constitute an electoral college amongst the National Council say equal ko break tie no ema the people
eti November 4th dia mo ebekoi say first nipo obi wini first na say tie ebemu is it going to be over 200,000 delegates? And I said, no, so may select a selection of more delegates. No matter
we na a buyer no. A chair say, yen take the steps. Say, ebitimi ahun, say a tie, ebitimi a breaki. Because, the elections committee no, na kase omube ye rules no. Na sa particular rules no, kase embra. National Council for Ratification. And Timiamba. But afidia the share no say the time no no say National Council will take a decision say on the 4th of November Taiba the way ebitimia break is a particular time no. But precedence on the rule of 2007 Eba say Nana do Danko Ekufuado anya the required number say oye flag bearer no na ye rerun of the people are omoye vote no. International Council be take a decision on that particular matter. We know Eba say ye special delegates special one no. 19 National Council seized the power to make the decision. But National Council is the body say regulated the elections of presidential primaries.
Haruna Mohammed, Deputy General Secretary, Edema NPP, Amiyoko Wate, say National Council be take a decision if on the 4th of November there's a tie. I'm gonna bet the one night be kwa split is that tie no. Say be selected number and as be kwa the same over 200,000 delegates no. National Council never take that decision. But what video be a match about former President John Dramani Mahama. Assembly there to Jabro share NDC lawyers. Now Ochtibo how near Benedia and what your judiciary emo. Yeah, very quickly. Let me come be Cecil. John Dramani Mahama, I don't know. A reality and a figment of imagination. Lawyer Raphael Abuaje Ahe Online, so a private legal practitioner. Lawyer, much on a pain.
Minya major so na me chia with you for new abeja for similar.
Yeah, that's what Jibre ene ba betwi enkomone anope. Asemu a former President John Dramani Mahama eken. Eye bona obone trimu aka bibi. Ana se sa na tie e wo yatemu adwumakoni.
Minya medase. Na asemia ye nyina ye mampanyin dada. Excellency John Dramani Mahama eken yi no. Me tie ne nsem no mani jeye or shot ye no baby or the free no say atemu adwuma no or see a hwene ye nsahwemu ewo mu na de na me dwen my dream mu de na nka me dwen say o ka kosi so say e wo say ye nsahwaye na say dia abefo kwan so ene mesi ko no na sebio judiciary no atentene ne adwuma no ene ma akoso hwehwe ne wano na so no ninka say ne bewe ye no bio many anye na menene so enya adwene.
Okay.
Okani kama eti supi said ya mara upon 1992 constitution no SE no. Article 127 no. Etre say judiciary no omo ye ekobia ana say aban mu ekobia atentene na adwuma no omo hye obi ase omo de omo ho. Ade a ebeti ma church judiciary said there be we wanye ni eye yamrapo no enko a na efa hye say aban mu nyuma ne ade nyina no omu nyina so omu boa judiciary no na judiciary na adwuma no etimi etumpon ekoso wano ana o kan fe executive no also mutimi boa na judiciary no nanim benyama ebenyama Ghana ene ewiasi ede afa na nyina hu sampa oba Ghana kra na odi sika be hye adwuma ma sebio enya de a watu sika ego na nso no se ode kwawie na okoka se omoba nyame ya adom na nyankopɔ hyira so na se NDC tumi nya tumi na omoba aben ma e wo sa lawyer foi minianum panifo ni minianum nkoma yi bi no etimi nya pepa se omobɛkɔ bench ne so no akwa akɔsɛ bi no minia ɛho ne de sebio me ne yama mpanyi a wotwam ɛyɛ adwena enye yi
adai
efri se embrano ahyehyɛ so ho ekwan a yefa so eyi obi a sebio ehu se ampa asomasi anasa obenten ofata se otimi kotena atibu adwane so ebu aken saa criteria na anasa criteria no baako hwa eni hot se e wasa wo ye MPP ni anasa wasa wo ye sebio NDC ni ansana wotimi afro saa akonya no enti se koye saa dia na ye kwa koye te se sabio atemu adwuma no ye di akoka winner takes all attitude ne ho sɛ me ba na me ba abemu na obi wo hokra stage of fata I was a promote obi kra free circuit court e be ba high court e be ba court of appeal kra na ye mfa wo ma efri say ye pese ye di NDC ni e ba betena ho wo bu asen na o hwa article 125 so a article 125 e ka kire say eye atemu adwuma no atemu efriye Ghana fom na nso ye dia hye judiciary ne nsa so omo e na omo hye efri say said ye nyina ye ntimi enko hia said ye tete Greece na omo ye no ye nyina ntimi enko hia no ene ye pan ko for so omo nkotena parliament 275 na omo hye mramaye sa pepepe na emrapon so no e de criteria ato say mo hwehwem na mo nsonim enti we lawyer no we 3 years at the bar emrane say ye wo enhinyema obetimi afem en social interviews na obekọ uwia obetimi abaye district court judge 5 years circuit court judge 10 years high court nhihye no ho enimu pesa bio we NDC ni ana we MPP ni
but eti lawyer can also be say e bi ono so free say ne party for say no work no when him say emu bi adwuma mo ye as lawyers no esumbo edema omuye pa ochoisu bra say e lucrative edema mubi but it is high time say musu betimi akọ to the bench akoko balance the equation. So what can you see enye encourage some fama NDC a lawyer for na o ma super pass betimi from to the bench na bi adwuma mo ye ntino mo beso meko so betimi agya na nkom so etimi akọ
mira wadaroma menti asie mu no equation ben ye kwa balance ya akoye te said ye ya gba aben the NDC MPP for mo megina ha a lawyer for kukuda ma mo party ni no mun tremrika na mo nko me hwe de obedi kan ados wo efite na ya akoye te said bio romanpanyin ada John Dramani Hama party they say ya yekoko football bo
unye ni mo
unya bi mo
but lawyer enye no krese gradually yama NPP ni NDC for take yen court no enu ti de bia ema former president Mama Ejina na so worker say obetimi account about 80 judges some ye ebi ye affiliated to the MPP ya call you to the bench
minia se omanpanyin dada ekasa asemi ya me ba cho sabio ayo no na adwenkyere
eti enya no kre say your MPP judges and NDC judges
say your MPP judges your NDC judges na omanpanyin dada ehunu say any power asumasi on fata se okojina atemu edwane so a ya hihye procedure ewo ho a ubetimi akoyi wo ho ano akoka say asumasi ana obenten ni suban ABCD ntino sabio on fata so be kwakot na atemu
da bi lawyer say the okano on can about the person's qualification and one can about the works of the person but o see minim say akwasinsin a worker say ana lawyer Rafael ya worker say were tilted to this political party. It has nothing to do with ABA and the qualification so depend qualifying to the now and all bench or in the juma but actually pan affiliation and I'm saying to no sheni pano bebia na man yosem no edidi ede eko etem bi say if you do what they are practicing as lawyer or yemem no opese o ka kire say nya no kwase wo agagefo bi a omo tilt towards MPP ebi so omo tilt towards NDC ana
minia so agagefo ya decision omo make ni adi no ma me fa nwura mu kakra civil procedure aspect no ya na emra me Fred
yada so age brani atwe enkomo lawyer pena mo say no entwe enkomo no ben ma me sha say frefro since it's coming from a flag bearer atna na eba
yo akasi me da
asesi e pushi ne eni obi am na kwhye ho asade ne hyede ni ho but ye for so mie na tipo am na kwese still close so to be ure
akasi me da na me fa kwanya eso na me nchia wahwefo
yes
ani atiefo na me mama baso se mama amampanyin mahama na no disem no abetogwa ebo mabaso osakwan so mama fa kwanya sunso na minshia amampanyin mahama nyuma papa obeye between 2009 as vice president I call him 2013 or assume presidency na ni nyuma oye no so bia e dia dance say what the to na ekoso ne dey hu a nanka yenyanya anka na omampanyi Mahama timidu wie na adwuma no ye npepepe was prempren yi e kamia ese sika semede e be hia be ye mfe eduni echi ansakra na yakodu bebi omampanyi Mahama di Ghana edu ya ojama abanga wotisi na nakufado ni Dr. Badwam abang because one kasa one sema oko IMF projection a won aye bebi won set one target akodu no enya dia enani chine obetime de Ghana akodu bebi a na ye wo in 2016 under President Mahama bebi ye mo Omampanyi Mahama sema kan no ohwa me no machichem be ahorabisa okay that's na okay lawyer nan komo ano ni nidi no ofi asi bedo baby no na se na odi kankan yan aso pese opia bibi ko hye baby Omampanyi Mahama ne NDC a lawyer fu bia wan akohia na wosusu oman no nsem ne se na won so wonyuma besi akoso afa na wode aboa omangana yempuntu na okan bibi about appointments. Yeah. Appointment na okan no number no eye bibi ese kan ho asem.
Okay.
Number no akosoro. Maybe I met me akoka ho asem eye baby to say Supreme Court.
Okay.
Bra ore ko no ana obetna so no appointee judges be no pe.
John Mahama.
Yes, judges be no pe na Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court.
Exactly.
Okay.
What the beto na go for do dey ho we appoint as many as 15 judges
to the Supreme Court.
Exactly. Mrano NTI because ye nsili per the constitution.
Okay.
Nti be no I can say yen say nyame ya adom ne nya kwan say be amend the constitution na. Yen say be reduce president ne tumia.
Okay.
Constitution na ye operating lay e de ama no. Because judiciary no a revered institution and say ye toto na se. Asumdwe beba ebusuantem asumdwe beba oyere ne okununtem asumdwe beba ebusuantem abusumdwe beba kro ni kro just be de asumdwe beba Ghana ha no yentimi judiciary mfim.
Okay.
Chance say ye toto on ase na on ntimi ansevo purpose ntia constitution do on by na Ghana be down to say jungle.
Okay.
Ebeye turf for the battle for the fittest. Okay. The more who den when I be survival who nye den ade bia no ye vulnerable. It is here say na constitution e kan no akire pefe say one na be hwe pere ye en ntemu aso de ama omanyi corruption e be say tuasi say judiciary no yan hwe ni antoto akwan ya ebedu baabi no amanfo be lusu trust wo mu to de tumi ne be hwe won awon sem ne obokro no say me gba kosi na ahia say me sende oye me hu nipanti enkosi hwe
okay
ya hu ni nsunsanso kakra ya hu ni nsunsanso kakra eye currently with to name be ekoso ho a nti ehia say esese ye hwese ye betimi a page science institution no na etimi agina na nanso number no ye baako na tusu abie ye say obi e nim say no di kankan ye say o ye lawyer ni a lucrative in terms of say amount for highway services na dia o charge o wunya sika
before I be call economy kan be with former President Mahama appointing NIPA 2 was it because that was the vacancies available at that time? And Akufo-Addo appointing NIPA 15 to Supreme Court now. And it also comes to the case as a result of vacancies Abba Entia. Former President Mahama time, a judge forced the Supreme Court to call retirement. Yeah, I am failing. Other than Akufo-Addo, a judge forced the Supreme Court to call retirement. President no failing.
Over the years, before Akufo-Addo Mrano. Now you need judicial judges at Supreme Court at 11. Okay. Tobago.
Okay.
50 President Rawlings Abreso, President Kufu Abreso, President Mahama.
Yeah.
Through President Atamils. Nti ya wo figure. Na mom constitution in chire say modu du ba ko na munyina ho. Ana mudi du mienga munyina ho.
Okay.
So what I say, ho na e chire good governance. Nipa na odi wo so no. Adwenpo owo. Because oh yeah man bro, so even though no, you are abusing your power.
Okay.
In terms of say one for so memo kwanti asem say na obentin ko ho. And no undermine nipa no nga dwuma se woye. Na me what you say. Because as many as 15 Hebron ya beto no grass.
Okay, it is a mission with here. Best and Kiyeshi, my best say 11 kwana kadi adwuma. Yes, wa farm na bro so 4.
Exactly. More than that.
So say 15.
Yeah, so be 2B.
Wow.
Appointment now wabe
omo beto omo no
ebi no mafim
yeah, that is it. It is studio say na free mu yeah ya fill that gaps no and I do say ya be ka wa na bro
akwasi ne tibia no abroso.
Okay.
Beyond ne aye nim say na ka ye limit ma ye.
Okay.
Abroso. O say
11 be ye the norm.
Ya sama ye kan ya hwe ne anka ne yepe eno so ne nchiremu baby for by some for so what I say can me person a bit dealt so much into say as a offer say no offer say that kind of thing but on the bottom line they say wafa toto of which and can be obit me and manage and we actually know you will need paper where you politically or partisan exposed
I judge for nibi
exactly
e be one
oh me modding but appointee I think High Court judge be now a contested war. I think a place in the Volta region.
Yeah.
As parliamentary candidate. Several of them. So at the point I say nipa sa no even though yentimi nka say because of say partisan exposed no obekwa koye na djuma senia ebia ono no susu say so ebe favor political party bi but perception because edjuma na akwa say nipa nya trust wo mu so at the point I say nti we niam bi ebe influence nipa bi perception as I say dey anti no sa no nti ne kosi say no na no ye Supreme Court NDC obekwa 907090 no amafo bebre na no nya adwen bi fa ho ebia to them no ne sese mra no what the toy okay what I say but ebi nso a na ebia what the two baby no antena papa anything na say judge grade as me here ultimately appeal ne judgment no meaning say you no be can nya sacrosanct and any judgment obema no eno no interest no ebru bibi ha so so at the point na sinti mra ma kwan say even though wa kan sem na wie ss ye jetum no wo kwan say obi panka so asama wo kan de me no wonya adwen nti misusu say ebia me fanko superior court na ebia won so won hwe nka ho asem
it because say or contest on the seat of NPP nti and ebia mo obi ehun ni say what the atemu kura ba
exactly so
especially political
it reduces public trust
but yenya Justice Poorman who was a former secretary to the PNDC no Supreme Court can't we also say yes nipa no at a point in time your life a year boy nyina
man can it out who say can say eh bia obekwa kwa na adwuma no pepe say so okoye but because of say nipa bi what perception what the point na say e won who say oh asem say the say na okay why PNDC secretary da PNDC secretary no so abra na yenya this multi-party
democracy
exactly because if you know PNDC corana man 20 were quite MPP including President Kufo
yes no exactly local government minister
exactly so at the point as in PNDC era the team can say nipa ni nyina NDC
okay
what is that because that bring mo be ban no was on next style of governance opeke nipa bi I feel say we wonim dia obetimi aboa am ye peda Ghana kodu until ye ba 1992 I best like say be multi-party democracy
okay
nti e hono de ntimi nyina so kese ba no no adwuma oye no nipa ba he na wa bonto timi ka so papa e de ampa o se e kan centra because what we now be can say to asumo say to asumo mra bon ho ban
it is say baby a yedri ye dania
President Mahama state
ye dania ya judge fuei ebi afine wo way into NPP or NDC kwa be na betimi akoso afaso se tememfu e beji atum se asimese na so benten de wo ye NDC ni de nanso wo di asemu a ye nkoso nya gidie e wono
e ho de e begina unipa akon a won appoint wo se kona kwa ewajuma no so be put to Ghana first I'm part of party member na me some party but me ko ye adwuma se me ko so mo mangana because now be ye no judgment be a gina pe ayamra so nim za that of the Supreme Court ayamra just say ayete hey ye nya akwa konya say birth certificate kura no to ati say entimi ni hu dance say we ye Ghana ni and now we ye Ghana ni very controversial all over the world birth certificate and ya shase kura so and because of a beer e binom ntiase so the na make want to say and na e binom adwen po bi a won adwen foforo bi e hia wo baabi e de abeto and na da we say yentimi antu na mon for France ansa e won hia say wo ba because the birth certificate
this is the second time a former president Mahama making a similar comment if not same among for free say what tu nani tade asi yatem wadwuma ko ne so dodo
bra esa kokum ni ni ibel is it ebel no kum Ken ni kum ebel sorry Ken kum ebel no ogwan no yankopon na nka say o se wo ye papa ka papa butu upunga no e kan ka say e bia obi appoint formally now you're politically exposed and now partisan exposed but when you ma obeye no will justify group position now what they am on then obi na be appointed
sure
so what the point I say but woko sebo hina president Mahama ase mo kan chire lawyers ne say mo we say mo family into sika no nkwan aso because woko ye judge abang do betu
yeah
but we lawyer we a private person into how they wo into do na ni interest so obekwa akoye some wo bench into or admonition wo to wonvo on worry kasa say mo we say mo binum so Mobenya dream be say dache teni yo.
Okay.
Mobetimi abe boa bench.
Okay.
On carbon be away. On count from on carbon be away.
So penny walking. Say any lawyers in be any na adwen ko benkrom. Not 2025.
Wojetum say
Wojetum so be ko bencha. It means say Mampenda da Mahama so ko add up to already bloated numbers na wo.
If we accept as a man say you bloated there. If currently see I accept say bloated there per your words. And the President Mahama beboa say bet me to one among. Na ya minimize because it be call retirement.
Yeah.
Take it or leave it. It be call retirement. Sure. Na mum wabeya omampanyin daw. Enya fe no reba. It leadership style no will not change. So bet now so from 4 years so appointed 2 Supreme Court judges. 2 benope. It be then the man bet add up to number nanga so abontan wa criticize it.
Because
some of us
or person square or balance it.
Some they go out. So now dream say okay. You bloated as you say.
Yeah.
So now dream say pay your way to you bloated ebi kwa bontenga and ebi retire. Obe exercise discretion.
Okay.
Say be on appointed nko nanim because why you be that? That's why I can say papa na okasa no. Wa be di mampanyin da.
Okay.
Enti otine ma bebre ase ayen ayete abonten ebi kura ye nti ase.
Okay.
O wonim de wa memu ne ho.
Okay.
Enti no akasa ade de enyi no. Say ye no go ye ne a chance also. Now obre so class yes say. But medical just never so no in 4 years.
Okay.
2 appointments for the Supreme Court. Enti enya de a obeye manatra. But prempren yi say na obisa lawyer no.
Yeah.
E ho na otwesan rantimi an ma bondem say ampa say eye bloated and but me genetum.
Okay.
Because oye lawyer ni.
Yeah.
And one no enko ba say lawyer ni be ba bonten abeka say tia bench.
Yeah.
And I guess what I say. It's idea intense. Into no, I'll grant him. Nemum yen tum say baby a one I was so. And yet that alone. No, me limit me the two
Supreme Court.
Exactly because lower courts now. A lot of them, but may not have the number to argue. But the yen tum say I don't see the brave. 2 was also politically exposed that. Obey na djuma yo but amanfo no trust ayebenya na madjuma na wo ya momman no.
Bernard NPSA a member of the NDC National Communications Team. Happy birthday Nkoma Francis Oti Frimpong. Director our National Health Insurance Authority head office we fro yire Mrs Georgina Oti Frimpong. So we wish you all the best. Nyakupo nshira. No nyo kese. Kopin so be kese. But see expect a surprise today. General Mohammed Haruna, Deputy General Secretary, the New Patriotic Party.
Yes, the only party that sets the pace for democracy in Africa.
Okay. Development in freedom.
Freedom, yes, sure.
Anyone Samran?
Sure. That's our motto.
Okay. Former President John Dramani Mahama. Now small cano. Say bit me a baby.
The Dikai, maybe tia my co-panelist Ben. Any Omo Mutie, and I say Omo Mushe Adom TV. A yammy yes, sir, me chino. Say, can me pessamin, Casano Econo, mint me cause a particular speed, you know, but ne Tino, move it me at Dr. me now, bit me out, and some me pessamin cano. Ayana Cresse Ben Aka say Bibia Eura Omampeninda da Ejai the economy of Ghana no and yet the same because Ojai the growth of the economy at 3.4%. Even the first quarter of 2023 no growth no 4.2. So clearly and yet the same the MPP the better managers of the economy. In this country. Okay. I just want to prove that point. Say, now, maybe Kosono, me pese me mbo na na danko ya kufuado. Nema dodo a oye ewo stream. Ye airport a otimi eba beye amaye any the heart village no. Ebwe pa ebe bie the stream ama the international world in terms of the international airport a oye maye. Ushe nsama former President John Dramani Mahama ekaye no mimi die enyame nwanwa because uko kan my first coup d'etat o troye ono book the 314th page book no John Mahama concluding remark or kase all the decisions I have made in my life were regularly plagued with doubt. It can't be challenging to sustain that feeling of hope or the belief that things will turn around for the best. Again and again, I have felt like that boy Dramani on the bicycle going down fast without any brakes and not knowing which way to turn. Yewura John Dramani Mahama Eka in my first coup d'etat, 314-page book. Enti oba bonten abakase ya enyame nwanwa because okasa no oni breaks because as a statesman okasa no and it doesn't sit for a statesman. Oya president that oya former president of the Republic of Ghana. Now oya the head of the executive. Judiciary no muye juma. Na ubetimi abisa ho na oye president no sa adwenu no wana na oppressor oba be ye president no so bio no na agenda no say oba as president oba pack the courts of Ghana with NDC people.
Okay. We a question and statement.
Yes, a question.
Okay.
A question.
Okay.
Na adwenu no.
Okay.
Because or preset or your Bayer president, no. One of his biggest achievements now Bayer say, Oba pack the courts of Ghana with NDC 4.
Okay.
And me person mean kancha former president, justice, or say justice, yenye justice. Justice is not a commodity in the market. Say ube ko na oka say me die me pe justice no fita anase koko.
Okay.
Enye sa. Justice is earned in the law court based on factual arguments. And the uka say justice and nihoa, it is an affront, an insult, say Emma, the judiciary in this country. Now we have former president no, now we tia kunjano sono, now who supervise and superintend over these services no. You do know who say ubitimiaka say there was justice system under you. Sanoka. Oka said the judiciary has become partisan. Very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. Say, former president, a statesman, a kasasi. Mimi die, me strap ben, NDC 4, omunye some stream of communication, any advices, because why you be that?
Okay.
That is not so. Ofri abaino ansisa, it is the same judiciary. Wasi unfair rulings. Jomorona mukoye na mukonye good rulings no. Na mo jubilate, mo praise the court. Uko 2020, oka say omko 2020 na a petition no na 9050 dien na odi case a court without fact. Without result, now judges no, now omonka say we are right. Go to court with factual evidence. Go to court based on law. Unko court based on emotions. Say uko kanchire nipa say mimi dia ma winning elections. Me ko court no ma winning nti court no emfa mame because mimi dia me ni resource. And yes sir. And as a former president, me I respect him so much. I respect him as former president because me pressure me so me bit me adru baby a odru ye no but me kasa no o man no bafu because before I obe kasa no on share the replications of the kasa or kasa o see only the oba when you clearing agent ukai Brazil afri den na owo o yinu every sa ministry no eba presidency ebeti ho ukai Pampers or ye den no say on your clearing agent mutaka sports ministry omo koto ayoyo any dn in bra in Brazil, omukoto nema basa.
Okay.
Why are somebody else should be talking to us that way, not former President John Dramani Mahama. Or say, money under bed.
Okay, maybe.
Money under bed.
Okay, Mr. But about this same year, judges. I quite remember say the National Security Minister, Honorable Abed Kandapa, ever can't say me say the real court ruling air court defan. Yen ye as on mine. Do not NPP as a political party, so then they or sergeant. But union say maybe and our power and office say BBS simile is okay. But there's a challenge be in the on mine near Mwana yen is how.
And yet because me were power.
Okay.
But I'm speaking to fact.
Okay.
Any law.
Okay.
When as part of the formative process of the new patriotic party, no, rule of law is very key.
Sure.
And the law no any mrano eye juma. Na mrana ye di juma no yesua. I agree with him in partly say NDC forces so almost your law no. Omu juma with the law. But Ubeka say MPP Nana de Dankwa pack the court with about 80%. 80.
Yeah.
Uba ususu ube pack. Enti oba pack because oka say omususu omumpre oba pack omu because opese onye balance. Ube ye balance no say na obetimi aye. Pack a obetimi balance. Pack a obetimi balance.
It's would you say a one-sided?
Yeah, was see oba balance, oba then oba pack.
Okay, but one in the yard they say also a balance.
Me doing because the court is not a political platform.
So we be no offend balance or court.
No, because court is the balance of court is the rule of law.
And you know, cross here, what judges be or more tilted towards NDC NPP.
We need a particular judge. You know?
Oh yeah,
there is no such judge. Court 2012-2013 petition.
Okay.
80% judges are no multi case no was appointed under President Kufuor. But what was the ruling? It took just 1 minute to dismiss a petition that was factually grounded under the delivery of His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic.
Can it be say be a 5-4? As against 7-0 in 2020.
And that tells you, say,
2020.
That tells you, say, justice is end. Justice is not bought.
And I just say, could you also be say okay, say majority of the judges that now 2013 election petition is on. Do one man penda da ko for the power. Anything that make ko wi eche no, enum ebuti a say enye no kre. Na ennan ebuti a say enye no kre. Asema ko for the but e do 2021 no. Is it because na Kufuor the judges or the court no bro so chance na NDC for one and ma ko 7-0
na all the OGD say obi a oba court no only resource or see we winning elections only resource we ye judge a obetimi a rule am no.
Okay, and so
obi a o see we winning resource DJ embo no nyum oba court
DJ boy nyum obi a ye kan figures abom no yembo nyum
embo nyum because we winning oba court without resource na judge ontenase enka say na win here on what basis sane pekrona dan abaye the national chairman of the NDC o ka say obi win 2024 elections entimigina so we dey enye kantanka ejuma ana say agro juma
okay
ejuma ewoma the real politicians more vision and the strategy to make it. And the appointments are Nana do Danko a year, you know. Okay. Why na Baba Bontin about country say it is unlawful?
Also on law.
Yes, so it is not unlawful. It is lawful.
It was also embremo de a year.
Yes, so but
the affiliation
by
and no.
There is no judge. Yeah. That is an insult and affront to justice system in Ghana. And the one thing say, somehow can and yet it doesn't stand in for a statesman like him. He's a very fine gentleman. He should stop talking with desperation.
Desperation or
desperation because we hear power. Desperation. Move to mame, me pack munina agu the justice system in Ghana because me here say me a balance. This is the kind of man say or say young vote no as president. Ghanaians mutie unjun ho. O say MPP say yen dodge accountability. Yeah. You appoint so many people. And what dream say will be packing, will be balancing, will be dodge accountability ana. A jumba by important na will pesa will be ye. Now will pesa will pack the cost of Ghana. A jumbuni e wani tree.
Hey. No, this is serious.
Yes. Why? Why say na will pesa will be balance it because who can say ubi a pesa on dodge accountability. Yeah. Now who hadwini say uba ube pack court no balance dodge accountability bia adwumbone bi e woni tree
e bia mo so pesa mo dodge accountability
say accountability ni net on we have not shred on any say accountability should overrule over us
money so the money sir
but the people of Ghana has the responsibility to take us on but not an individual. What pressure, what your desperation say, obey the president of the Republic of Ghana, Biom, Ebeka say, me sisa, na ma packing nipa bebre, akogu the justice system because somebody I use this particular system, no, I dodge accountability. Ube dodge accountability, ana.
Former President Mahama?
Maybe so. No.
Okay. So on so be balance system.
Obedoja accountability ana.
After so we ni kura odi 4 years ni we a.
Obedoja accountability ana because sa no mo di dodge accountability. Na also so opeso on yes a obedoja accountability ana.
How na me that say.
Na meka bibi was say money under bed. So what you know? Oka money under bed. Okay, the first time you money under bed was under Obeda Samoa. Under the NDC.
Okay,
yes.
Fair.
Yes, was under the NDC. Obeda Samoa in the Akofridua conference. Baby, or with horse whips, no. Francis Essien busy didn't go. Now, Oba say, Oka say, money under bed. Ono the Nabreso, and yes, I
say one time.
Oped, Asamoa, NDC time.
Okay.
Brea or Moko.
Namahama, yeah, dear.
Or your MP.
No, your MP.
Yes.
Okay. No,
NDC under NDC.
But no, could
now or see
NDC as a member of parliament.
Now, oh yeah, NDC.
No, NDC. Now, can obey to idea.
National chairman of the NDC. Or see under NDC. Yes,
it's only say and on regime. Obi no be penam wa pakisi kade share and pass.
But under on regime.
Okay, on regime. Okay.
Okujeto.
Okay.
Felix Kwachi.
Oh yeah then.
Oh yeah, $3 million dollars. Eco houses.
One say.
Na ska eyura
one can say.
Under na would yeah go.
One kind.
Dear.
Say Felix Kwachi the $3 billion akoto fie.
Say John JJ Rollis, the founder.
The first the founder.
Yes, the founder.
The first one founder just say no credit.
Because it is the founder of the NDC.
The first one founder and just no can no credit.
But he's the founder.
But I don't just want him baby.
Now we are founder of the NDC.
But I don't just say no can
the crocodile comes from the water to tell you that under the water, this is what is happening. Now, Oka say, "Enyano kre."
Ebi no be nyaman so na say.
No.
And I refer.
Or your founder. Ye dey any founder.
And now na kwakwen say because and now na kwakwen say because say a founder
wa person me kata so, but who be say why na kai.
Oh yes, a person.
A founder of the NDC.
Just say founder of NDC no. A law so no can sma mo obi and dispute na.
So Oka say former president JJ Rollis or Chontrana.
Men kasa.
And I mean, council betimi so agina timi not me betimi agina because or a respected member or no founded the NDC with his own blood.
It will say for the wicked betimi agiatu.
Or say we agizika.
Okay.
Do say
okay.
Akotone. We amasika eyira na kan we nya eni. With yes, yes.
25,000 this ayira. But Felix dey na
under him. Yes. They know
Okay.
He can't be trusted.
John Mahama?
No. Minimum power. He can't be trusted.
Wouldn't him know as because only any free esteem bent na only ni say as a person in leadership na only ni say
carefully study John Mahama. The commentary and the actions no. He can be straightforward. and reading from his own book, My First Coup d'etat, he can't take a decision. Ultimately take decisions. They are flouted with doubt.
Ben,
akwesi that's it. Na many can say Bohana on Ankasa contradicting him.
I was say.
Back when he say Oman Penya Kufuado performance no Papa Cheng.
Yes.
President Mahama. Okay, GDP as
yeah.
So under President Mahama 2016 the GDP growth was about 4.7.
Yeah.
Good. And projected GDP growth for this year. Yeah. 1.7. 4.7 growth and a 1.7 growth.
No, because was baby I'm so free.
Yes.
And baby I'm to see.
Baby, no. Let me correct it.
Hold on.
No. Also person correct.
Yes.
Okay, then I person correct.
In 2016,
okay,
you left the economy at 3.4.
Okay.
Current first quarter.
Yeah.
2023 is 4.2.
Second quarter is it?
First quarter. Okay. No, first quarter.
Okay. First quarter is a 4.2.
Yes.
Okay. Wasted time, Keke. Finance Minister called Parliament, mid-year review.
Okay.
Projection for 2023. GDP growth, 1.7. 1.7. Under President Mahama, na Ghana, Yanka Edinina, 120 billion. And then it's over 600 billion. Under President Mahama. And SIDA, say Bank of Ghana, a boka over 60.8 billion. Iti enone de adea e wo hode down. Inflation under President Mahama or na 15.4%. And then I'm 43%.
Okay.
Near Mabo. My memra no kind. Oh, it's a shame. Very very
1
shameful.
minute.
Very very shameful say. Ubenya MPP ni. Pow. Warba in 2016. One promise. Our mind say, well, Baby protect public purse. Ne. Sika gumu jam, sika gumu mpase. Muntimi hu anu yiye.
Aban sika.
No to boase. Muntimi hu anu yiye. Now Babet say obi the $3 billion koto getting. You are equating
sika gumu amon pass.
Egu MPP appointees in pass.
MPP appointees be.
Cecilia Dapa. Sika egu nem pass. Onakasa ko ni ma no.
Aban sika.
Aban ben sika.
Say nya aban sika.
Hinesika.
Aban ka se ni
sika.
No
hinesika.
So Bianca so
no it's a hinesika.
Cecilia Dapa ni sika.
What say hinesika?
What say ni sika?
Or no say hinesika?
Yes.
Can't be so offended.
At the penny
no,
different.
Hold on.
And different.
See, person be too Can I finish? Okay.
Say your kwan your fast so nya sika dia. But when him crofo be question mo how they are even able to survive a week e wo Ghana.
Akwesi asema okay. Je Ghana pe. And now media person be can say me. But America nobody will say this.
But I say
because I see what we say. I say you say sika na fi.
Okay.
If he no what you tax ahe wo ho.
Mate me say. Beba ebra say ye be kwa fa game pack. Ama Mr. me kwaba yam point. Ebra say kwa fa game pack na ye hunu boys ni ska ye die. Ye de ni da so nyina enie. 4 numbers and drop in na no pay. Game pack. Warinia Yamatinkwa, Warinia, Area 12 or Emirates 6, and so Honum. Let me send congratulations to Patrick Chinebua Kodia, CEO of Ohineba Kodia Media. One Oyere Reta Eduye, now Mrs. Reta Ohineba Kodia. Wish you all the best in your marriage. I mean, Shiramo, my warrior, and you're from Intimo, da. So once again, happy. Wedding anniversary to you, Mr. and Mrs. Ohineba Kodia. Your best day, you are no crime for ye di a fee homo, especially Tishi, one more Tishi, a collect my junction. But you are homo one now, a quine blocking on ye mean to. Why, Nama traffic a bus and potemo. Your best place for step, Mum 9 tea or some potemona, a quine block near Didi homo one, ye me entum, and from my adishia. Inse somebody sumo to go far bypass no omu to ntimi twam tentem ms ko odwuma eso era se ben
eja
na owie
yo na America sa
owie na
say obi a public servant
yeah
na say oye adwuma ma banga titiru pa ne say ye ni market ya man no edema no nti se uhu sika bi ebro so a kwango ho se obisa se sika edu nya fi eno ti na se wa appoint obi se omedi oman nanima se o declare any assets nya owo nyina ansa na ye de appointment na ma nti chi odi bi be ka ho a se se etimi hwehwem obi sa nya sika ni fi so me nua bi dia unua no obe follow up wan ko bi so no se wusu nya fi Oma na me ka se baby a sa asemi ye ntwin da ahwere wo ho kra nche eye ne dio enya ne dio fan ko si edi kan ne se sika no baby egu kra ya asem foforo ade se wa stock a pile stock ska o den sabi asem ko sabi won na wo dio man nanim a we encouraging crop so won fan ska ko gu bank ni ntimi run system ni ye na wa pile up sika se na edi kan kra foreign currency and crowd and say uti kratew o baby foforo ye mo ase betimi atukata cha ne price and found near asem ne fa ne ho and color ko na o hye o man na ye nyina ye ndia ye tu ase a ebeboa enti president Rawlings mo orofo su kwachi din da one statement bi emu enti ne amenua deputy general secretary kano kontompo na already one President Rawlings mo ora ofosuku achi dingo be bia da nka asema on kan bi da enti sa asema no eyen kontompo etiefo wo mongu akwese ni aye kan se President Mahama
30 seconds
abayo mampanyin da ni nyuma obedi eda ho a edi adanse ni yesusu se anka man aban foforo ba Ghana be konanim enti ne ye no ebe bro na bia amampan abanfo for besen ko ene ye be ne ye hu ni say ya sanga sanyechi more than 10 years and I mean ntimi nye ntom no over 10 years back the BM
o calculate ni say
ko he IMF aye ko na mi aban no na no dis mo de koma won projection awaye na yetimi service and debt am ye nya sika kakra de boye ho bra prempren yentimi service and debt enu ti ni ya ye debt exchange obi a ye de ne ka bi aban ne se mintimi ntua enti ma me mrese na me mfa ntua enu mu nyina okeka se ani a ansa Ghana bit ma be gina ne nanso back to 2016 level an ye won be taking over 10 years enu kan my moderate ma kama amanfo se na be ya won koma beto on yem Bank of Ghana ka won abono wa hwesika wo so be nya every year e be take Ghana more than 20 years or more and sa aka no e betimi akọ abato e won sunsan so na mo bibia no sana penfo ka wo se achia emui esinga babu nyina Nyankopon ya adom a akwanya bebe bio se ye de political party akuru bi ni bezinsen ye ni ahwe obi a ne modern bo a oboy ye kekese ani a me jedi se Ghana fo nyina anim bi hu se President Mahama modern obeboy no esombo me ne ebo Tamale Airport no opia koma President Akufo-Addo zo no be oye modern President Akufo-Addo phase 1 phase 2 ne kubi na no koyi na ahodin bi anim bi I am telling you because okwa sika okoje for phase 2 now we approve sika no in 2016 I think November yes me nyama wadaroma nanka ayententema mayen enti obi anye ntumo ya anya no kwa
ya nanka do ya hwe na nso abie se registration ne se
me da se no kwa me bono pero me wi na me na ba enti Tamale interchange de Tamale Airport de obi anim se President Mahama
Tamale Airport phase 2 asem na okay
yes sir okay bra funding no
we ko na ye wi me pe we na ma
me aka me the contract na kasa be ma because it was for failed funding
but what NI say what NI
near where here no questions ka clear me wo ho ni say den na ultimate project is say obey nipa 250 to 260 is it in thousands or hundreds?
It's 250,000, I think so.
250,000?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah,
estimating 250,000 to 260,000.
How?
Yeah.
Public sector workers in Oyahi.
It's 1.5.
Are they telling us between time our year registration, started registration, I think 2020, right?
Yeah.
Nipa Babeka public sector no. About 260,000. And I say we a public sector we can go because as at that time no, na across board.
Yeah.
The new mayor oya banga juma onya banga juma no.
Yeah.
Over 15 years. Sabre na ba ultimate coil registration. And to minim how onya sa figure no. Na near second phase in Mestre obia won sanka ode. For modern so be kakwa registration. Na how kakra ye same district officer say obi fia na mon kokoye. And no na and I have kakra because okay and the Ghana challenges are your war sika semu and senia akonia bedi den fa anka major one hour yeah no be here our year I think say polling station basis nti anka at least ultimately ade up number ne kakra na boa because near Ghana nyina ne nkran.
But as Bernard NPSA a member of the NDC National Communications, happy birthday in Koma. Mrs. Gloria Adutnate, aka Mama Gloria, and I'll bet they are sure the best. Yamishra no nyo kese kopim se obeye kese pa. General.
Medasi. Me the contract document as I know.
Okay.
For the Tamale airport project.
Okay.
Uhe date na.
Okay.
Ubehu 23rd July 2018.
Date of commencement.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The document, the contract, not commencement. Contract.
Okay.
In the second session of the 7th Parliament of the 4th Republic of Ghana.
Okay.
Report of the Committee on Roads and Transport on the contract agreement between the government of the Republic of Ghana, Ministry of Aviation, and Quares Galvao Construction UK Limited, presented by Constructor Quares Galvao SA, Ghana, for an amount of 70 million United States dollars for the construction of the second phase of the Tamale International Airport. Okay. 23rd July. 23rd July.
Contract.
2018. 23rd July 2018. Who the agreement Echo Parliament in 2016? You could not secure the funding for this particular project. This is record. Parliament is a place a record. So it is not true. The document said Udiko Parliament for the airport project in Tamale was for 5,000 meters square.
Okay.
Today, the recontract that said it is 5,500 meters square. The Heart Village, 1,000 meters square. 3,000 meters square.
As of today.
As of today. They are not the same. So please.
Okay.
NDC.
Sorry.
No.
Just one.
NDC. It is not true.
Okay.
It is absolutely not true. Say,
because he's talking about funding.
Something. Yes, that is funding. Good. We looked for the funding.
Where did you look?
It is our own funding.
Where did you look for it from?
Do you want to know the funding source?
Commercial contracts. A contractor. It's Kasam anyway. Handside 2465 commercial contract agreement between number 3rd November 2016 American. The project includes the following: design for scope of works under this phase, construction of a 250,000 capacity main airport terminal, building of approximately 3,000 square meter expandable in the future.
Mutimi secure funding.
No, where a funding agreement.
It was
secure funding.
Why not? Yes.
You did not.
Okay. That's a fact.
Get your MPs. You did not. You did not. So the second one that I want to show you, I don't want to read it because I say me control. Yes. I say enyana kre. Read this. This is Peace FM, please.
Okay, $3 million machine saga, coup plotter, Rollins must speak and act like an elderly person.
Just right. Just read the first
what
sentence.
Does it mean?
The first. Yes. You said say.
A former deputy information minister for
never mentioned.
This is a
has taken ex-president Georgia Rollins, founder of NDC, to the clinics for accusing him, Felix, of purchasing 2 machines at a staggering 3 million.
As far as I'm concerned, Rollins are more Felix Okosugachidin.
But Felix responded to Rollins. One born
media person will push it to him, and he might react to it. It's not true.
My brother, just
he
accept.
never mentioned a name.
Just accept.
He never mentioned a name.
He just accept. Felix Nkasa.
Good morning to you, George Krabia.
Mr.
10 seconds.
Finally, one thing is worrying me in this country. Say
5 seconds.
ma etimi eyi bibia hanipa. Cecilia.
Okay.
Oye ma. Onye sika. Then if a woman say onye bibia hanipa in this country. Let's put respect to women in this country.
Let's put